Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you two methods to backing up your Windows PC. The first method uses the Windows built-in backup utility. The second uses a free software called Macrium Reflect. Let's start by connecting a hard drive you're going to be backing up to. And once it's connected, you should check to see if the hard drive is suitable to back up to. As this is a long process, you don't want to find out that the hard drive is unsuitable. So right click and open the properties of the hard drive that you're going to be backing up to. First, check that you have sufficient space. Don't worry if you don't know how much space you require yet. Secondly, check that the hard drive is in the NTFS format. If those look good, we can start the backup process. The first thing that we're going to do is go to the Start menu and then go into the Settings. And then we will navigate to Update and Security. And once that opens up, we're going to go to the Backup tab. And then we're going to go to the bottom where it says Looking for an older backup, and then click on Go to Backup and Restore Windows 7. Once you're there, you can see there are two options on the side: Create a System Image and Create a System Repair Disk. We're going to go and click Create a System Image. This page lets you choose where you want to back up to. We're going to be backing up to a hard drive, so make sure to use the drop-down menu to choose the correct partition or hard drive. Once you're happy, click Next. This page gives you a bit more information about the backup. For example, how much space it will take and also the partition that will be backing up. I'm going to close the background pages to make it easier to see what's happening. And when you're happy to begin, press the Start Backup button to start the process. How long this takes will depend on how big the hard drive is that you're backing up. And the good thing is you can leave the computer while it's doing its backup process and come back when it's finished. But I'll speed up the video so you don't have to wait that long. Once the backup is finished, you get this message asking you if you want to create a system repair disk. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. For our video, we're just going to click no. If you've been watching the time on the bottom corner, you can see that it roughly took 18 minutes to complete. Now that you're done, you can hit close. Now we can go and check out the drive we just backed up to and see how much space it took. And I was surprised to see that the backup took so much space, which is a lot higher than the estimate it gave earlier, which is why you should always have extra space just in case. The second method to backup is using a software called Macrium Reflect. It's a bit more complicated, but I'll guide you through the process. We'll start by downloading it, first going to Google and then search for Macrium Reflect. And then clicking on the first link, that's macrium.com, which will take you to their website. Once you're there, you need to scroll down to here. And you can start the download by clicking the Home Use button. Next, you'll click Continue, and then your download should start momentarily. After it has finished downloading, you can go and Open. Now you should get this download screen. You can leave most of the settings as is and then click download. This should only take a couple minutes. And once that has finished, you'll get this screen next. Just click next. Make sure to click next and then I accept the terms, and then you'll click next. And then you'll choose home and then press next. Leave all the settings as is and then hit next again. And then you can hit install. At this point, you just have to let the install finish, and that should be it. Now you can click finish and launch the software. Let's give it a minute to load. And once it's finished loading, you should get this screen. We can start by checking the drive and all the partitions that we're going to be backing up, like so. And then we will uncheck the destination drive as well. And then on the backup task on the side, click image selected disk on this computer. And on this page, you choose the destination for your backup by clicking here. Find your destination hard drive and then click OK. After choosing your hard drive, click Next. And now we're going to click Add Schedule, and from the drop-down menu, we're going to choose Full. Here you can create a schedule if you wish, but for our video, we're going to be choosing one time only and then clicking OK. We're not going to change anything else on this page. Instead, we're going to go to Advanced Options and then go to Auto Verify Image. And then check the Verify Image box here and then hit OK. And if we click Next again, we get to the final step, which is the image summary. And if we're happy with all the settings, we can click Finish. And lastly, if we click OK, we can start the backup process. And now the backup will begin. Again, this will take some time, so please be patient. And once you finish, you'll get this screen and you can hit close and you're finished. Again, we can check out the output of our backup, which gives us this file, as you can see. And if we right click it and then we go to properties, we can see that the Macrium backup file is significantly smaller than the Windows backup file. This is due to the compression that Macrium uses, which allows for smaller backup files. Okay, so there we have it. You can choose either method to back up your PC. With Windows backup, you won't need to download anything else, but it's slower and takes more space. With Macrium, it's quicker, takes less space, but you have to download third-party software. In the end, it's up to you. Thank you for watching.